viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to change from active to passive voice for past tense forms. In the previous video, we have learned for present tense forms. We are going to change for simple past, past continuous and past perfect. Before that, let us learn what is the structure for simple past, past continuous and past perfect in active and passive. In active, it is subject plus V2 plus object for simple past, and in passive, it is subject plus was or were plus V3 past participle form plus by plus object. For past continuous, it is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. And in passive, it is subject plus was or were plus being plus V3 plus by plus object. And in active, for past perfect, it is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. And in passive, it is subject plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. So this will be the structure for active and passive for simple past, past continuous and past perfect. And in active, subject will become object of passive and object will become subject in passive. We have to interchange the subject and object from active to passive in order to change. Let us see how to change from active to passive for simple past tense. Here is the structure for active and passive for simple past. It is subject plus V2 plus object. So we have to identify the tense first for the given sentence. Cat ate mouse. So now identify the tense. The tense is in past tense. That is simple past. Now we have to see the structure. Subject plus V2 plus object. So in active it is correct. In passive we have to interchange the subject and object. And after that, what is the change in verb means it is was or were plus V3. That main change we have to make in passive. So cat ate mouse. Cat subject becomes object of passive and object in active, that is mouse, will become subject in passive. So subject and object got interchanged. Now we have to make changes to verb. Ate is the main verb given in active. Now we have to change it to passive by adding auxiliary form of past tense verb, that is was, plus past participle form of main verb, that is ate, eaten. So eaten is the past participle form for ate. So the sentence is mouse was eaten by cat. Next, let us see few more examples. Look at the sentence. She made cake last Sunday. She made cake last Sunday. She is subject and cake is object. Now identify the tense. The verb is made, so it is in past form, that is V2 form. So it is in simple past. Now interchange the subject and object. Cake was made by her. So we have to add auxiliary verb was, because it is past form. So was made by. Made is past participle form for make. So cake was made by her. She is the subjective case and objective case of she is her. So cake was made by her. Next, let us see another sentence. They made cakes last Sunday. Now the subject here is they and cakes object made. It is in past, simple past form. So we have to change as cakes were made by them last Sunday. Here cakes is plural subject. So it should agree with plural past verb, the be verb, that is were plus made, past participle form for make, by them. Them is the objective case for they. So the sentence here is cakes were made by them last Sunday. Next, We made cakes last Sunday. We subject and cakes object. Made is V2 form of verb. So it is in simple past tense. Cakes were made by us last Sunday. We, the objective case of we is us. So here the object becomes us. So cakes were made by us last Sunday. I made cake last Sunday. Here subject is I and cake is object. Now interchange the subject and object. So cake was made by me. The objective case of I is me. So cake was made by me last Sunday. So I hope you might have understood how to change from active to passive for simple past tense. Next, let us see how to change from active voice to passive voice for past continuous tense. Now, let us see the structure for past continuous in active. Subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. And in passive, it is subject plus was or were plus being plus V3 plus by plus object in passive. Now, here is an example. Subject cats, verb were eating, object mice. So cats were eating mice. First of all, we should identify the tense. Cats were eating mice. It is in the structure that is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. So if ing is there, then it is continuous. Now we have to identify whether it is present continuous, past continuous or future continuous. So it is past continuous by seeing the be verb where. It is past continuous. So how to change it to passive means interchange the subject and object. So here subject is cats and object is mice. Now interchange the subject and object. So when you interchange the subject and object, mice will become subject in passive and cats will become object in passive. So mice and what changes we are going to make for verb means it is where eating will become where being eaten. Where being eaten. So now the sentence becomes mice were being eaten by cats. Next, let us see how to change from active to passive for past perfect tense. So for past perfect tense in active voice, what is the structure means? It is subject plus had plus V3 plus object, and in passive it is subject plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. So here is an example. Cat had eaten mouse. Here it is in past perfect tense. How you can identify that it is in past perfect tense means it is by seeing the verb that is had plus eaten. So had means it is past and perfect, past perfect tense. So this sentence is in past perfect tense. Now we have to change it to passive voice. How to change means we have to interchange the subject and object. So cat becomes object in passive and mouse becomes subject in passive. So mouse had been eaten by cat. The changes made to verb is just we have to insert been in between had and eaten. Whenever we change from active to passive for past perfect, just we have to insert been in between had and V3 form of verb. So we have to add insert been between had and V3 form of verb. So now the sentence becomes mouse had been eaten by cat. So I hope you might have understood both past continuous and past perfect. Let us see with more examples. Here are more examples. She was making cake. She subject and cake object. Now interchange the subject and object. So here subject is she and cake is object. So you can see cake here. Cake is object. Now the tense is was making. Verb is was making. So it is in which tense means it is in past continuous tense. So now if it is past continuous, we have to add being and we have to add was before, was or were before being, and past participle form after being. So like this we have to make changes to the verb. So interchange the subject and object. Cake was being made by her. So objective case of she is her. So we have used here her. Next, bakers were making cakes. Here, were making, it is in past continuous tense. Now, identify the subject and object. Bakers, subject, cakes, object. Now, interchange the subject and object. Then, after that, were making will get changed to were being made. So, cakes were being made by her bakers. He had made cake. So he subject, cake, object. So now the sentence is in past perfect tense. Now interchange the subject and object. Now cake had been made by him. So in between had and made we had to use been. So for past perfect tense, cake had been made by him. Next, bakers had made cakes. Cakes had been made by bakers. Just interchange the subject and object. Bakers is subject and cakes is object. Just interchange it. Now had made has changed to had been made. So cakes had been made by bakers. Next, let us see passive verb formation. That is here all sentences are given in passive voice. We have to change it to active voice. The car was designed by him. The cars were designed by him. The car was being designed by him. The cars were being designed by him. The car had been designed by him. The cars had been designed by him. Now these sentences can be changed to active voice. That is, he designed the car. He designed the cars. He was designing the car. He were designing the cars. He had designed the car. So answers for the previous screen I have given here. Next, let us see few more examples how to change from active to passive. My father watered this plant. My father watered this plant. His mother was preparing dinner in the kitchen. The students had discussed the pollution problem since last week. He had broken his nose in a football match. His behavior sometimes vexed me. Tom was painting the house. The florist delivered the flowers. So now we have to change it to passive form. Before viewing the answer, just pause the video. Try to find the answers for all these questions. Test whether you have understood in a better way or not. Then here is the answer. This plant was watered by my father. That is my father subject, this plant object. So it is in simple past tense, watered, past form of main verb. So it is in simple past tense. So how we have to change means it is this plant was watered by my father. Next, his mother was preparing dinner in the kitchen. His mother subject and dinner object was preparing. So it is the verb. Here it is in past continuous tense. Whenever we see ing, we can say that it is continuous tense. Here the be verb is was, so it is in past form. So it is past continuous tense. How we have to change it means interchange the subject and object. Dinner was being prepared by his mother in the kitchen. Next, the students had discussed the pollution problem since last week. Here, students, subject and pollution problem object had discussed. It is in past perfect tense. Had we, whenever we see had plus past participle form means it is in past perfect tense. Interchange the subject and object. Now the pollution problem had been discussed by the students since last week. Next, let us see, he had broken his nose in a football match. He subject and his nose object. Now interchange the subject and object. Now again it is in past perfect tense. How I identified that it is in past perfect tense means by seeing the verb, that is had plus past participle. I identified that it is in past perfect tense. So his nose had been broken in a football match by him. So it is by him. Agent is, if you want you can add, otherwise not necessary. His behavior sometimes vexed me. His behavior sometimes vexed me. His behavior subject and me object. So now how to change it means I was sometimes vexed with his behavior. So if any condition arises, you can use with preposition instead of by preposition. Next, Tom was painting the house. Here the tense is in past continuous. So now how to change it means that house is subject, will become subject, and was being painted by the Tom. Tom became object and passive. Next, the florist delivered the flowers. Now identify the tense. The tense is past, simple past tense. Identify the subject and object. The florist delivered the flowers. So florist subject, the flowers object. Now the flowers were delivered by the florist. The flowers were delivered by the florist, because subject here flowers is in plural form, so it should agree with plural be verb, that is in past form where. So the sentence will become as the flowers were delivered by the florist. More examples. John gave a bar of chocolate to Jill. Here two objects are given. A bar of chocolate is direct object and Jill is indirect object. So here even we can make a bar of chocolate as subject in passive or Jill as subject in passive. So in two forms I have given. Jill was given a bar of chocolate by John. So likewise a bar of chocolate was given to Jill by John. So first form I have taken Jill as subject and I have given the answer. Jill was given a bar of chocolate by John. And in another way also, an alternative way is a bar of chocolate was given to Jill by John. Pragati lent her pencil to Kirtana. Lent, it is past form, so it is in past tense, simple past tense. Subject is Pragati and object is, direct object is pencil, indirect object is Kirtana. So Kirtana was lent a pencil by Pragati, or a pencil was lent to Kirtana by Pragati. Both are correct. Sudha told the truth to her friend. Sudha told the truth to her friend. Here two objects, that is truth, her friend. So you can make subject her friend or the truth, and you can frame the sentence, that is her friend was told the truth by Sudha. The truth was told to her friend by Sudha. Both are correct. They offered the job to Venkat. Venkat was offered the job by them. The job was offered to Venkat by them. Both are correct. Then next, the boss showed the new computer to Kavya. Kavya was showed the new computer by the boss. The new computer was showed to Kavya by the boss. Next is, the police were taking the militants to prison. The militants were being taken to prison by the police. Next, the salesman answered all the questions patiently. All the questions were answered by the salesman patiently. Next, the manager appointed many office assistants. Many office assistants were appointed by the manager. Next, my grandmother painted that portrait. My grandmother painted that portrait. That portrait was painted by my grandmother. Next is, Molini had bought a colorful hat for her daughter. A colorful hat had been bought by Molini for her daughter. So I hope you might have understood. how to change from active to passive for past tense forms. Thank you for watching.